In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Bluehost hosting and apply a coupon code at checkout. First, open your browser, head to the official Bluehost website, and click Get Started. That button takes you straight to the hosting plan so you can compare what's included without digging through menus. Next, choose the hosting plan that matches what you're building. The basic plan is a solid entry point if you're launching a single site and want the lowest price. Plus is designed for people running more than one website under the same account. Choice. Plus includes helpful extras like domain privacy, which hides your personal contact details and public domain records, along with a few additional protections. When you've decided, click Select on the plan you want to lock it in and move forward. Think about how many sites you plan to run and whether you want room to grow. You can always upgrade later if your needs change. You'll now be asked about your domain. You have three options: register a brand new domain, use a domain you already own, or skip this for now and add one later. If you're eligible for a free first-year domain, you'll usually see that voucher applied automatically when you choose the new domain option. If you prefer to decide later, skipping won't block you from finishing sign-up. From there, continue to checkout and fill in your account details. Enter your name, a reliable email you can access, your address, and your payment information. Take a moment to review the billing term you've selected and any optional add-ons on the page so you're only paying for what you actually need. Also note that choosing a longer term often lowers the monthly rate, while shorter terms may carry a higher per month price. Before you submit payment, look for a promo code or apply promo code field on the checkout page. Paste your coupon code into that box and click apply. Watch the order summary update. If the code is valid, you'll see the discount reflected right away and your total will decrease before you pay. If you don't see a change, double check the code formatting or confirm whether your plan is eligible for that promotion. When everything looks correct, click Submit Payment to complete your purchase and activate your hosting account. That's it, your hosting is live and ready for setup. One final tip: Bluehost often applies the best available discount automatically during checkout, so you may not need a manual code at all. Still, it never hurts to try a code and compare totals to make sure you're getting the best possible deal today.